If you want to know the contents of a certain PDF file, then what you can do is you can utilize PDF AI. So to do that, you need to go around onto Explore GPTs right here, and then go around and scroll down right here until in the productivity section, you can see that PDF AI PDF is an option. So once you go around over here, you can see that it says securely store all chat with all your PDFs for free, no matter what the size right here, just like this, as you can see. So you can go ahead and start the chat and click on the attachment right here and upload from the computer. And then I'm going to go around over here onto YouTube Drive right here, just like this. And then I'm simply going to, let's say, for example, upload out a PDF right here. So let's just go around over here onto, let's say, for example, PDF of our folder right here, and let me just go around and open up this particular presentation right here. So I'm just going to go around and open up the presentation part 4 right here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say explain and summarize what is there in this PDF file right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it says the uploaded PDF appears to be a presentation document, and here's a brief summary. It has tables, it contains multiple tables, slide highlights, and it has a conclusion, as you can see right here. So I'm going to say, does it have any information about information technology right here, just like this. So you can simply go around and ask right here. And then you can see that it says out right here that the PDF document presentation part 4 does not contain any specific information or reference to information technology, as you can see right here. But you can go ahead and ask right here. So I'm just going to go around and copy this right here. And I'm going to say, does it have any info about quantitative information right here, just like this. And what happens is that it'll go around and set out, and it says contains quantitative information presented in the form of tables, and this table shows data across various categories and years, detailing numbers, values, and so forth, as you can see right here. And it gives out the contents of that particular related word as well. So that is how you can utilize the PDF AI to talk to your PDF inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.